Hello. That's Joe.
Okay, so today, what is it called?
A mukbang. A mukbang.
A mukbang. We're gonna do that. With like questions and answers while we eat McDonald's. Cause you know, cheap and easy. Oh.
I have a 10-piece chicken nugget. I guess, yeah, the meal. Actually, just a nugget. Can I have ranch with that? Anything else for that? And then can I have, a number 9 meal? What's big for that? Just a water. Can I have a McChicken? 6-piece nugget meal. And a 6-piece nugget meal? Water. A water? Ranch, sweet and sour. Anything else for you? And can I have ranch, sweet and sour too? Honey mustard. And honey mustard.
Orders the entire menu of the McDonald's.
I'm glad someone wasn't behind this because they'd be like, it's not that hard to order at McDonald's.
Have our food. So we asked Instagram, like, ask us some questions. So we're just gonna answer them on both of our Instagrams. We asked.
One of the questions was, how or when did we meet, or how, I think it was something like that.
We met 2014.
Freshman year of high school.
Yeah, in school. But like we knew of each other because we went to the same church. Remember that?
Yeah. And also, your dad trained my mom.
That's such a small world.
Yeah, your dad trained my mom, and like, I guess he like always talk about you and like how we should like
be friends, right?
Yeah. And now look at us.
Yeah.
Alright. Next question.
Oh, well, somebody asked on mine why we're so Joe. And for those of you who don't know what Joe means, I hate describing what Joe means.
Yeah.
It's so hard. Like extra, over the top.
It's just another word for extra, basically. We just say it from in Delaware. That's where it's from Delaware.
I feel like I'm not, so.
You're not from Delaware?
No, I feel like I'm not.
Oh.
Joe.
Alright.
You're not from Delaware.
Come on, yeah. I mean, like, I definitely am, but like, I don't know.
No, like, I have my Joe moments. Obviously, we all do. But I don't Joe people. I'm just Joe in general, you know?
Yeah. Another question is more general. They just said, do you believe in God? And I do. And yeah.
It's the same church.
Yeah. That. So, I wouldn't say like I'm the most religious person, but I believe that there's God. All that stuff, you know?
There's several aspects of it.
Yeah. Next we have a question. It says, if we could be in a TV show, which TV show would it be?
Definitely being Family Guy.
Doing what?
Like, just being dumb.
Like,
I know. You go. Take it away.
oh. Oh. Ugh, gross.
Remember that SpongeBob episode when the guy ate the pickle? He was like,
Pickles. No.
I haven't seen that.
You know I did watch SpongeBob. You know this. So that was really embarrassing.
Oh.
Anyways, if I could be in a show, I'd be in the Vampire Diaries because
I'm in love with David Salvatore, and period. That's all you need to know.
alright, so let's address this now. Get it out of the way because I'm sure everybody came here for the juice, the tea, whatever. Can I go? Someone asked, do we still mess with our exes? Or like talk to them, communicate, like
No. Absolutely not. No. No.
you gotta come to a point where you gotta like sit down and be like, be honest with yourself and be like, is this really how it should be? Is this really how it should be treated? and then
No, it's not.
period. And then it ends up like
Even afterwards, like obviously you can be cool with your exes, but like
yeah, like
there comes like a point where like there's a point you can't cross, and I
Like-
feel like they crossed it.
we're cool. Like exes, I'm talking about like people that was actually dated. Like you can be cool with like I'm cool with people that I talked to before and just stuff didn't work out. You know?
Yeah, no, of course.
That's fine. But you
But
can
once
feel
you
like that with your
disrespect
exes.
me,
Yeah, it's a whole different level. Like it's just
it's no going back. Ever.
Someone said, "What's your pet peeves about each other?" I'll start because Taylor likes to grind her teeth when she's sleeping, and it wasn't as bad. Like now, it's not. It's cool. It's still a calm little grind, but like in high school, it was so high pitched and like it was just disgusting. Like, I was like, Taylor, like what? And she's a heavy sleeper too, so like you throw something at her and she'll stop for like 2 seconds and then continue to like do it.
She's dramatic because my roommates
No.
never say nothing about me.
Now,
girl.
sis, now. I said now. Yo. Don't try to get out of it. Yo. You grind your teeth, period.
Alright, but literally you're the only one who has an issue with it. I promise you. I'm telling you.
Well, maybe you just be doing it to me.
To you. Probably.
Yeah.
Her? She talks big.
So next question is, what are your zodiac signs? Well, I'm a Cancer, July 12th, and I'm a Leo, August 19th. Cancer crab. We're very sensitive. We're very stubborn. Very annoying. Just kidding. Not really. Though.
Also very aggressive sometimes.
Yeah.
So like being with a Cancer, like a Cancer and a Cancer.
Yeesh.
I'm talking to two Cancers. I'm talking to a Cancer right now.
Yeah, me and Anthony are both Leos.
We should never be talking the same zodiac sign.
Let alone be talking to boys at the same time. I don't think we've been on double date.
Yes, we have.
No, forget about that one.
Wait, which one do you talk about? Well, I know which one I'm talking about. I'm talking about the jeans.
That's what I'm talking about.
Stop slow, like, please don't make my iPhone XR crash. Slow.
Taylor.
Slow.
Taylor, that's what I'm doing. It's not your fault.
Okay. So I think we're done our
TED Talk.
Q&A.
Mukbang.
Nothing really else to talk about. We really spilled a lot of tea.
Kind of. Low key.
Low key tea. Some of y'all won't, like, you're gonna have to put it together.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.